What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. My name is Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we're about to celebrate our 4th Thanksgiving on the road. And I think this actually is our 4th different state celebrating Thanksgiving on the road. And while we love Thanksgiving dinner, we really love the desserts. And we love the leftovers.
Leftover turkey sandwiches just hit the spot.
You'll have to check out maybe last year or the year before, I'm not sure, but we made an amazing open-faced Thanksgiving leftover sandwich.
Yep.
It's so good.
On
You
the
should
griddle.
definitely keep that in mind for the following day. But we're not all pumpkin pie lovers. So today we are kind of prepping a yummy dessert and making a new take on pumpkin, and we are making pumpkin spice latte cakes.
It's PSL season, so let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get our pumpkin spice latte cakes going, I'm gonna use a trusty box mix, but with some modifications. So basically I'm gonna follow the instructions on the back and then do some stuff.
She's gonna do some stuff.
All right, here's the part where we do some stuff. I'm gonna take about a cup of pumpkin puree and add it to our spice mix.
Now, is this gonna change the consistency of the cake batter and how it bakes?
Great thing is we're not baking it, we're griddling it.
Excellent way to avoid the question counselor.
I've got the griddle set to low, and we're going to be using our Blackstone silicone rings to make our cakes. I'm gonna get a little bit of butter down. And then also, we want to butter the inside of our rings, so that makes it a lot easier when we pull the cakes out. Right, the trickiest part to this whole thing is not overfilling the rings.
Yeah. Ask us how we know.
Yep. These might be a little bit full. Then we are going to put our Blackstone silicone dome on top and let those bake. In all honesty, the first 4 are always sort of like a test, but we're gonna see how they look. All right, not too bad. So what we wanna do is we wanna take these off gently. That one's great.
So far,
that one's
good.
cooked through really well.
Well, we'll see how the bottom is. Nice.
This is like the fullest one of the bunch. Oh yeah.
Not terrible.
Not bad. But like I said, the first 4, you kind of really just get to know the heat, how they cook through. These ones are great for the bottom layer. All right, these are looking good. We're gonna get them off the griddle. That's kind of the side, you know, what we're really looking for here. Kind of reminds me of our pumpkin pancakes, our cinnamon pumpkin pancakes we made. While our last few cakes are finishing up on the griddle, I am going to get our topping ready. And you can't have pumpkin spice latte cakes without the coffee, so I'm going to take a few coffee beans and get them in our grinder. Got some ground coffee beans. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of ground allspice to the mix. Now is the fun part, and we are going to assemble our pumpkin spice latte cakes. We're going to be doing a bit of layering here. So I'm gonna have 3 cakes. We've got Cool Whip, that will be our filler. And then we stack, cream it up again. And then for the topper, we have pumpkin flavored Ready Whip. And for the garnish, we've got our coffee bean allspice. Another griddle bake under our belts. I'm really excited to try this. It is a bit messy.
Barely beard friendly.
Oh my gosh.
That's so good.
It's super
Oh my goodness.
decadent, like I need a glass of milk. It is very delicious.
It is a pumpkin latte on a fork.
It's a great like the cake is spongy, and I don't want to say the word because I know it bothers so many people, but it's like great. It's not dry.
It's
the
moist.
cake is not dry.
The cake is very moist, which is exactly how you want your cake.
It's delicious. So definitely give this a try. Do not be afraid to bake on your griddle. It's so much fun.
Yeah, and it's very doable. Thank you guys for joining us. We appreciate you watching. Visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, happy Thanksgiving. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.